There are days when getting out of bed feels like a battle, days when your dreams seem too far, and your energy feels drained. But what if you could stay motivated every single day, no matter how you feel? Today, I'll share with you simple, powerful strategies that will keep your fire burning, even on the toughest days. If you like videos that help you stay consistent and grow every day, don't forget to subscribe and join our community. Understand your why. Motivation fades when we forget why we started. Think about your biggest dream. Visualize it. Is it freedom, success, taking care of your family, living life on your own terms? Write it down. Make it your daily fuel. Tip: place a sticky note on your mirror with your why. Read it aloud every morning. When the why is strong enough, the how becomes easier. Break it down. Most people lose motivation because they see their goals as mountains too high to climb. Instead of looking at the top, just focus on the next step. Big dreams are built by taking small, consistent actions every single day. Tip: break your goal into tiny tasks. Celebrate small wins. Momentum builds motivation. Action creates energy. Create a ritual, not rely on emotion. Motivation based on feelings is unreliable. Some days you'll feel like it, most days you won't. Success isn't about feeling motivated. It's about building rituals that pull you into action automatically. Tip: set a fixed time each day for important tasks. Treat it like brushing your teeth. Non-negotiable. Discipline beats motivation. Always. Real quick, if you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button so YouTube shows it to more awesome people like you. And if you're new here, subscribe for more contents to improve your life. Now back to it. Find your energy triggers. Sometimes it's not your mind that's unmotivated. It's your body. Low energy kills motivation. Learn what energizes you. Is it a quick workout, listening to inspiring music, a 5-minute walk outside? Tip: build a motivation playlist of songs that fire you up. Take movement breaks when you feel stuck. Protect your energy, and motivation will follow. Reward yourself. The brain loves rewards. Use this to your advantage. After completing a small task, give yourself something enjoyable: a good coffee, a short YouTube break, a moment to relax. Tip: gamify your life. Make progress feel fun. The more positive associations you build with hard work, the easier it becomes to stay motivated. Surround yourself with positivity. Motivation is contagious. The people you spend time with influence how you think, feel, and act. Surround yourself with those who lift you up, who talk about growth, goals, and possibilities, not just problems. Tip: curate your digital environment. Follow accounts, podcasts, and YouTubers that inspire action. Limit time with people or content that drains your energy. Positive input equals powerful output. Motivation isn't a magic feeling. It's a habit. It's a muscle you train by showing up daily, even when you don't feel like it. Remember your why. Break it down. Build rituals. Protect your energy. Celebrate your wins. Surround yourself with the right people. You have everything you need to succeed. And the best part, every day is a new opportunity to move one step closer to the life you deserve. If this video helped you, subscribe and join our journey to become better every day. Stay strong and stay motivated. Drop a twerked in the comments below to let me know it worked for you.